Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a unit by Outre. It is from their Perfect Hairline. It is in the style Cheyenne and the color DRFF Golden Amber. And here she is. She has such a beautiful curl and wave pattern. She is average head friendly. I would say average to big head friendly, and I do fall on the bigger head side. So she does come with two combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And she also does feature an elastic band with the faux scalp, which I should have took out, but I was being too lazy. It takes a long time because I didn't have like any seam cutters or anything. So it takes a long time with scissors because you have to be careful and precise. And I just didn't feel like doing it today. But anyways, it does have a really nice hairline, and this is how it falls on me. I am 5'2" and I do have a shorter neck. Now we're going to go ahead and lay the unit down, and I am kind of treating it like a 4x4 because of the simple fact that I'm wearing a middle part. So I just didn't feel like it was necessary for me to lay the whole thing down, and I typically don't anyways. But I feel like this can work because later on I'm going to go in and put some bobby pins on the side. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the adult hairs, if you will. And then I'm going to like kind of, you know, just style them the way that I want to style them and everything. You definitely don't have to do this. It's definitely optional. I know everybody doesn't like the adult hairs, but yeah. So now I'm going to tie it down, and then I'm going to let that set for about 10 minutes. And then once that sets, I'm going to just take it off and go in with my middle part. I am going to go ahead and add mousse, and I'm going to hot comb the parting area down because it was a little humpish there. But yeah, I really love the way that the faux scalp like gives, you know, it gives a whole, like, it gives a really good look because you cannot see those knots as much. But I just feel like, I don't know, maybe it needs to be pulled forward a little bit so that there's no line of demarcation, because you guys could definitely see the line of demarcation. But anyways, I'm adding mousse to the hair because I feel like it makes the curls last a lot longer. Now, one thing I will say about this unit is I really do like it, and I think that it is beautiful. But I don't like the fact that it seems like there's two different curl patterns on this wig. At the bottom it seems more so of like a loose wave, and at the top it's like a tight curl, and you guys will probably be able to see that a little better once I kind of zoom out. But yeah, that's the only con that I really have with this wig, and the faux scalp of course. But overall I do really like the unit. I think it's pretty, but I don't know if I would like necessarily recommend this one because it has those two different curl patterns. As you guys can see here, at the top it's like really curly, and then at the bottom it's just, I don't know. But anyways, if you guys are interested, I will have links in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. Please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.